Everyone, welcome back to Cellular Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 17th to the 21st of November 2025 on Monday. Zama feels Banele is sleeping through her fingers and decided to take matters into her own hands while he struggled to stay away from Bali. Ayanda's war with Makhumalo sends her further into Lungelo's arms on Tuesday. Zama and Banele's relationship takes a hint as she threatens to expose him. Meanwhile, Makhumalo fights in vain against the feeling that she is losing her children on Wednesday. Banele tried but fails to free himself from Zama's shackles. Ayanda stands firm on her decision even as her family reels on Thursday. Zama pushes for a marriage that defies tradition while Banele struggles as his pleas to unheard. Ayanda lashes out at her family's judgment and Lungelo pulls her in on Friday. Mom Faith asks questions that Zama would rather not answer. Makhumalo surprises Ayanda and Bali wonders if she should take a risk. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.